Hey guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a screen timeout duration on your Huawei Watch GT 3. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up the watch by clicking this button. And let's click it again to go in the main menu where we need to find settings icon. Choose it, and now you need to tap on display and brightness and then on sleep. And here you can choose a time during which your watch will turn off, for example 10 seconds. So, if you do not touch your watch for 10 seconds, it will automatically turn off. And let's check it. Yes, they are turning off and everything is working correctly. So, that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you. And thank you so much for watching.